Hello everyone. We're so excited to have you all join us today as we explore the incredible possibilities of redefining business communication with Zoho Cliq within Zoho One. Today, we're going to be diving deep into how Zoho One and Zoho Cliq can transform the way your business communicates and collaborates. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. First, we'll take a quick look at what Zoho One is all about and how it brings all your business tools under one roof. Then, we'll explore how Zoho Cliq as part of Zoho One is at the heart of seamless communication. We'll be looking at how Zoho Cliq's powerful communication functionalities help you streamline teamwork and enhance productivity, followed by how Zoho Cliq helps your business enhance collaboration with smart workflows. We'll be happy to share a success story of a business that has used Zoho Cliq to drive success. And finally, we'll wrap up with a Q&A session where we'll address any questions you have. With that, let's get started. Zoho One is the ultimate operating system for your business. Whether you're managing sales, running marketing campaigns, handling finances, or onboarding new employees, Zoho One brings everything under one roof. Zoho One includes an incredible suite of 46 plus applications designed to power every aspect of your business, all organized into key categories for better functionalities. In sales, we have apps like Zoho CRM, Bookings, Begin to manage leads and track performance. Marketing is covered with apps like Marketing Automation and Social for campaigns and customer engagement. For communication, we have apps like Zoho Cliq and Zoho Mail that keeps your team connected, while collaboration tools like WorkDrive and Connect enable seamless teamwork. Each category is tailored to address specific business needs, making Zoho One the ultimate all-in-one solution. Now, let's take a look at the Zoho One interface. The first thing you'll notice upon logging in is your personalized dashboard. This dashboard can be customized by your admin or tailored by you to display the information most relevant to your team. On the left side, you'll find the app panel, which provides quick access to all the Zoho apps available to you. With Zoho One, you can effortlessly switch between apps and manage your work all within a unified, seamless interface. You'll also find a smart chat bar of Zoho Cliq, allowing you to chat instantly and receive notifications for any new messages. Business communication apps are crucial for organizations as they not only facilitate seamless interaction but also ensure security and privacy. Here are some reasons why it matters the most. Whether you're in the office or working from home, a good business communication app makes sure that you stay connected with no disruptions and gaps. A business communication app ensures seamless interaction, whether in real time or asynchronously, so that you can never lose context. It should keep all your essential information easily accessible, enabling faster decision making and improving team transparency. Using a business communication app minimizes the need for long emails and ensures quicker responses, allowing you to stay focused on your work. This boosts productivity, which in turn enhances overall efficiency and success. Business communication apps should also be secure and compliant as they handle your company's and client sensitive data. Look for an app that is GDPR compliant and meets industry standards for data protection. As discussed before, Zoho One has products that helps your team communicate and collaborate efficiently. Under the communication and collaboration section, we have apps such as Zoho Cliq, Zoho Mail, and Zoho Connect. In this webinar, we'll focus on Zoho Cliq, a business communication app within Zoho One designed to keep your teams connected and aligned. As part of the Zoho One ecosystem, Cliq enables real time communication and is seamlessly integrated with all your Zoho apps. Whether you're tracking projects, automating workflows, or sharing insight, Cliq ensures that communication happens right where the work gets done. Let's take a look into some key points highlighting Cliq's central role in the Zoho One ecosystem as a business communication app. Zoho Cliq seamlessly acts like a means of communication hub where you can use real-time asynchronous and unified communication that combines conversation, calls, and meetings in one place. Zoho Cliq allows your team employees from different departments or external vendors to communicate easily and collaborate on projects, breaking down silos to achieve a common goal. You can access all your essential communication needs to Cliq, eliminating the need to jump between multiple apps for different types of interactions and data required. Zoho Cliq's real-time updates ensures that you stay informed about important conversations, project progress, and critical decisions as they happen. You can schedule meetings, record, and keep track of key takeaways and summary to revisit later. So, if you are a Zoho One admin, this guide will help you enable Zoho Cliq for your organization. We'll cover how you can add Zoho Cliq to your Zoho apps, and you can assign users to Zoho Cliq and designate a Zoho Cliq admin. Once you've assigned, Zoho Cliq admins can access the admin panel to configure and optimize communications for their organization. To add Zoho Cliq to your Zoho One apps, you can go to your Zoho One admin panel. You can click on the applications and select Add Application. A list of Zoho applications will be displayed. You can click on the Add button for Zoho Cliq and create a new account, or if you already have an Zoho Cliq account, you can associate that account. With this, your Zoho Cliq will be added to your Zoho One suite of apps. Once you've added a Zoho Cliq, you will need to assign users to Zoho Cliq and designate the admin for your Zoho Cliq account. To access Zoho Cliq from Zoho One, you simply have to hover over the left sidebar in Zoho One and click on Zoho Cliq. Once you've navigated to Zoho Cliq as an admin, you can access the admin panel by clicking on the settings icon in the top right corner. There will be two tabs available for you. If you're a user, you will find the users tab, which is basically for individual configurations based on your needs. And if you are an admin, you will also find the admins tab, which allows you to configure organization-wide settings, including user management, roles, and permissions. You can also customize you have customization options and data security policies. You can configure settings that best suit your organization requirements. Finally, once all the configurations are enabled and users are onboarded, you can make an organization-wide announcement and appoint a team to guide users on how to use Zoho Cliq. You can take a look at our webinars and resources to assist in this process. As a user, this section will help you make the most of the functionalities available in Zoho Cliq. We'll start with a brief overview of Zoho Cliq's interface, followed by how you can engage in real-time communication, asynchronous communication, and unified communication. And then we'll be looking at some productivity tools in Cliq that will help you streamline and enhance your work. If you look at the interface of Zoho Cliq, the left side represents the navigation sidebar where all your modules are organized for quick access. The right side is where the collaboration space is present where all your communication takes place. Here you will be able to chat, make calls, share files, and work together with your team. The top bar is where your global search and quick actions are present. You can view the list of the icons of other functionalities such as reminders, start message, events, add mentions, and user panel, etc. over here. Zoho Cliq allows for instant real time communication, enabling teams to stay connected and collaborate without delays. Here's how it enhances real time interactions. You can make one on one audio or video calls or meetings directly from your chats. You can also use one on one chats, group chats, and channels in Zoho Cliq. Channels are basically dedicated spaces that allows teams, departments, or specific projects to communicate and collaborate more efficiently. You can perform various actions on a message. You can share files, images, and links directly within chats. Finally, you can use the search capabilities to quickly find anything you're looking for, whether it's for a meeting or you need something immediately during a call. Without scrolling through messages or delays, you can immediately find the files that you require. Whether it's a quick discussion with a colleague or a team meeting, Cliq's calls and meetings enable real time communication, offering you more immediacy than messages. In addition to connecting instantly, you can monitor your network performance to ensure smooth calls and meetings. You can start a whiteboard to brainstorm ideas collaboratively. You can share your screen or presentation to make discussions more engaging. You can record meetings for easy reference later, and once you've recorded those meetings, you can view the action items and summaries of those recordings to track key takeaways. And the best part, you can seamlessly transfer calls and meetings to your mobile app, allowing you to stay connected on the go. And if you want to send a message to a colleague, you can instantly initiate a one on one message. For conversations with a small group, you can create a group chat to keep your discussions flowing smoothly. And channels can be used as dedicated spaces for larger organized communication across teams, departments, or company wide initiatives. And if you want to discuss specific topics within a channel that require only a selected group of participants, you can use threads to keep the conversation relevant and focused on a particular subject. When you send a message, you can easily convert it into a reminder to ensure you don't miss any important task or actions that need to be completed. And if you quickly want to access important messages without scrolling through long conversations, you can star them to a category. All starred messages are saved in one place, making them easy to find later. Also, if you quickly want to express your thoughts, emotions, or feedback on a message, you can simply react with an emoji without the need to type in a reply for it. This instantly notifies the message sender, keeping communication clear and efficient. In addition to searching for messages based on keywords and filters, Zoho Cliq allows you to find content within images using optical character recognition. For example, if you're looking for an image you've shared with a colleague or in a channel but can't remember when or with whom you shared it, you can search for a phrase you recall from the image. Cliq leverages OCR technology to find that image quickly, saving you time. Instead of scrolling through multiple channels and chats, the search process is completed in seconds, delivering the desired result efficiently. Whether you're working on a project, sharing important updates, or sending reference materials, Zoho Cliq lets you attach and share files within chats and channels. You can share files as a code snippet for better readability, create and send a whiteboard to visualize ideas. You can upload files directly from your work drive or attach them from your cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Not all conversations need an immediate response. Zoho Cliq supports asynchronous communication, allowing you to stay connected and informed without the pressure of real time replies. This is especially useful for remote teams or teams that work in different time zones when you need uninterrupted focus time. You can use video and voice messages to add a personal touch while allowing teammates to respond at their convenience. And if you've missed a meeting, instead of going through the entire recording, you can quickly catch up on key takeaways. And for more details, you can read through the meeting summary. And if you're working across time zones and or if you need to send a message outside a colleague's working hours, you can simply schedule it to be delivered when they're available. This ensures seamless communications without disruptions. Zoho Cliq ensures a unified presence across multiple Zoho apps, keeping your availability status updated in real time. Your status automatically syncs with apps like Zoho Meeting, Zoho Sales IQ, Calendar, Assist, Telephony, Voice, and Showtime, and any media activity in Click, such as calls, meetings, or live events. In situations where physical presence is not feasible, your organization can use the live events functionality for live streaming organizational events to a broader virtual audience. The Zoho Cliq phone system has been a great way for handling your customer support and sales calls and queries. One key capability that powers this communication is the integration of Zoho Cliq with Zoho Voice, which is our in house phone system, or your preferred cloud phone service via Zoho Telephony. This powerful integration transforms Click into a hub for managing sales and support calls, making the entire communication process smoother and more efficient. Zoho Click is more than just a business communication app. It's packed with powerful productivity tools that help you and your team stay organized, efficient, and collaborative. These tools are designed to streamline tasks, manage time, and enhance teamwork, all while staying within the Click interface. Let's look at a few of them. When you create or schedule a meeting in Zoho Click, it automatically syncs with Zoho Calendar, ensuring your team's well informed and on schedule. Using reminders will give you timely nudges, helping you stay on top of your tasks that need to be completed or assigned to your team. To quickly access your most important chats, channels, and threads, you can organize them into folders and pin them for easy reference. Zoho Cliq's rich text composer helps you send clear, effective messages to your colleagues. Using the text composer, you can send files, record audio or video messages, or even capture your screen to express your thoughts more clearly. The slash command and bot action menu makes it easy to automate routine tasks, saving you time and effort. With the ability to schedule messages, you can reach out to colleagues across the globe without disturbing them during odd hours. Zoho Cliq provides a range of formatting options in the text composer, allowing you to create clear, structured, and visibly engaging messages. You can bold, italicize, underline, strike through text, add hyperlinks, use block quotes, and apply markdown formatting, all to enhance the clarity and impact of your messages. If you're faced with a mountain of unread messages in a channel or thread, the summarize message option helps you get the context in just one click. These summaries give you a quick overview of the key conversations and activities in a channel, so you can fast track your way to understanding what's happening without the hustle of scrolling through hundreds of messages. Here's the best part, you can even filter these summaries by users and time. Channel recommendations in Zoho Cliq enhance collaboration by suggesting channels that match your interests or automatically identifies channels your teammates have joined and recommends you to join them. By using this functionality, you can quickly find and join open organization wide or team specific channels. And if you ever wanted to collaborate with a colleague but you weren't sure if they'd be available, maybe they haven't checked in yet and you are left wondering if now is the right time to reach out. Well, this is where the probable check in and check out update comes to your rescue. This AI driven functionality predicts your colleagues' likely availability time so you can plan your interactions without the guesswork. Whether you're coordinating with someone in a different team or across different time zone, this update makes it so much easier to connect at the right moment. Zoho Cliq blends with various Zoho apps such as Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, Zoho Desk, and Zoho Calendar, etc., allowing you to access, share, and manage data from them in your communication channels without switching between apps. Let us look at a few examples. One example of it is the actionable URL expansion in Zoho Cliq, which allows you to preview and interact with shared links directly within the chat. Instead of just displaying a plain URL, these links expand to show relevant details and provide quick actions, reducing the need to switch between apps. When you share a link from, let's say, other Zoho apps like Zoho CRM, Projects, or Desk, it automatically unfolds into a rich preview. This preview includes key details such as title, description, and relevant data. You can take actions directly without leaving Zoho Cliq. The next example, we'll be looking at how Zoho Cliq provides contextual chat functionality, ensuring that your discussions are not just isolated messages but come with relevant background details, actionable insights, and seamless integrations with other tools. Let's say you have an invoice in Zoho Books or you are working with a vendor and you need to discuss it with your team. You can instantly start a chat from Zoho Books and add team members to discuss the matter. This ensures that the conversation stays on topic with all the necessary information from Zoho Books readily available, making the discussion more efficient and focused. Chatlets are message snippets that can be created directly within Zoho Mail and can be converted into real time conversations in Zoho Cliq, helping streamline communication and collaboration. So, this transition from the email to real time chat makes it easier to have immediate discussions and quick resolutions. If you want updates or upload your expense receipts or need to view the details of your expenses, Zoho Expense Bot acts like your personal assistant, helping you with the data you need. For example, if you're looking for information on your trips, you can simply select the relevant option and you will get a detailed overview of your trip expenses directly within Zoho Cliq. Zoho Cliq helps you receive workflow notifications via bots from other Zoho apps, making it easier to stay updated on important actions, tasks, and changes across your organization. Whenever a particular action is performed, let's say you have created a new lead in your CRM, or you've scheduled a webinar in Zoho Meeting, or your trip is approved from expense, you can instantly receive these notifications either from the product bot or you can map it to the channel and get notifications there. Let's look at the following Zoho projects bot as an example uh, that helps you and your team receive instant notifications whenever a task or issue is created or assigned or updated. So this ensures that you stay informed without the need to switch to projects. With these notifications, you can also initiate discussions. And if you want to get instant notifications of invoices from your Zoho Books in your channels, you'll have to enable Zoho Books notifications with Zoho Cliq toggle button in your app and select the channel you want to post the notifications to. So this way, your team is updated on payments in real time, whether it's receiving notifications for invoice status updates, payment reminders, or overdue alerts. Zoho Cliq ensures that your team stays informed on any payment related activity. You can also receive real time updates on open open tickets, due today, or overdue tickets within your Zoho Cliq channel or in your Zoho Desk bot. Widgets are highly customizable and support a wide range of textual and visual elements to make the data displayed more actionable. These help you visually see your data without the need to switch to a particular product. In this example, we have the projects widget that helps you view all your tasks and issues directly inside Click. And if you're using Zoho People and need to quickly view your employees, your direct reportees, or department users, you can leverage the org widget in Zoho Cliq. This widget seamlessly fetches data from Zoho People, providing you instant access to the information you need right within the chat interface. By embedding analytic reports in Zoho Cliq, you can easily view and share detailed analytic reports directly within your chats or in the form of a widget. This allows you to access real-time insights, track key performance indicators, and share reports with your team, all without switching to Zoho Analytics. Not just analytic reports, you can view any type of interface you want as a widget inside Zoho Cliq. So let's imagine you're having a discussion with your team and you need information from another app. Say you want to check the open task Olivia has in Zoho projects. With Zoho Cliq, you can instantly execute a / command to trigger an action, whether it's fetching task details or creating a new lead in Zoho CRM, or if you're trying to add an expense to Zoho Books. Everything happens seamlessly within the text composer and chat interface, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. And if you use other third-party apps for your work, Zoho Cliq also integrates with third-party apps with the help of Zoho Cliq Marketplace. So, Zoho Cliq Marketplace is a platform where you can discover and install various apps that integrate with Zoho Cliq to improve communication, automate tasks, and streamline workflows. I'd like to share an example from my team for this one. We use our export to handle post updates and share new functionalities with our users as an initial step to ensure all the employees are aware of these posts. Even if they don't use X daily, we have integrated our export with our Click team channel. So, this way, every time we post something, a message is immediately shared in the channel, keeping employees informed and encouraging engagement for better reach. Now let's look at how you can enhance collaboration using smart flows in Zoho Cliq by automating repetitive tasks, streamlining communication, and enabling seamless integrations. The Zoho Cliq developer platform enables you to create extensions, bot, widgets, and message actions to enhance your communication experience. With these components, you can design custom workflows effortlessly using Deluge, which is Zoho's low coding scripting language with no advanced coding skills required. So, before building a workflow, it's important to understand what you need to automate. Every team has routines, let's say daily stand ups or status updates and regular check ins that keep work on track. But beyond these routines, collaboration often involves problem solving, quick decision making, and team coordination. So you can start by asking yourself what tasks take up too much manual effort, which process could be automated to save time, where do teams need better coordination. Identify these needs. Identifying this is the first step to building an effective workflow. Once you've noted what to automate, it's time to build your workflows using the Zoho Cliq developer platform. Once you've built your workflow, it's time to map out the data flow. Where should the information be posted? For example, if it should be posted in a specific channel, or what should trigger an action? For instance, when a support ticket is raised or a deal is closed, what action should take place? And then what will happen next? Maybe an alert is sent in a channel or an approval request is triggered. All this can be identified. By setting conditional triggers based on different scenarios, your workflow ensures the right actions happen at the right time without manual intervention. Every team operates differently, and that's the beauty of Zoho Cliq's automation capabilities. You can customize workflows to match your exact requirements. These are just a few examples of what's possible. You can create your own custom solutions tailored to your team's need. Also, if you need any guidance, our support team is always there to help. Moving on, I'd like to share a success story on how Zoho Cliq has achieved. Sorry. Moving on, I'd like to share a success story on how a business has achieved more with Zoho Cliq and Zoho One. Let's take a look at Inspired Business Services, a company based in Australia that provides tailored IT, communication, and waste management services to small and medium businesses. The main challenge as their company grew was to find a software to manage their customer operations and contacts, and they started using Zoho One. One requirement of them needed a seamless way to manage call support and bookings for their client, who are a chain of corporate laundromats catering to hotels and B&Bs. The solution for the challenge was that they customized a Zoho Creator app to handle the entire booking process from call reception to driver notifications, and they integrated with Zoho Cliq for real-time updates. The impact of the solution is that it streamlined their operation, enabled instant booking management, automated status updates, and improved communication through Zoho Cliq channels. This eliminated long email chains and gave them real time updates, saving time and boosting efficiency. The result, Sean, the co founder, proudly shares that his company has grown 60% in the last 2 years, and he credits Zoho Cliq for this incredible success. So, isn't that an inspiring example on how Zoho Cliq and Zoho One can streamline operations and drive growth? Now, if you're part of Zoho One and haven't been using Zoho Cliq, you can try it today and explore the various functionalities Zoho Cliq offers. And if you're planning to migrate to Zoho Cliq, our migration process from other business apps like Slack and Microsoft Teams is simple with just a couple of steps. We have dedicated webinars and resources that you can follow and do it by yourself. Thank you for joining the session.